Can you guys see the rain? I'm not sure if you guys can, but I can. Wait, where's a good view for you guys to see it? There should be. Ready? Why can you guys not see it? The gram will prove it. Well, see, look, guys, it has been raining. Even Blackie's like, no, guys, it's raining. No. By the way, guys, happy Father's Day to everybody out there. It's so rainy. Oh, and it's cold. Hands up, it's cold, me. So cold. Okay, we can stop. It stopped raining. It stopped raining.
It's not raining, it's just splashing. It's not here.
Dad, record me dancing in the rain. No, guys, I'm going to be dancing in the rain like the musical Dancing in the Rain. Now your turn. You have to dance in the rain. Oh. Hi, human being. What's your name? Oh my gosh. I bet you guys like down in the comments be like, the Ava Cream Show, this is a crap video. But I do not really care about what you guys say about my videos. I know they're good, so yeah. See, look at this sky, guys. Ah. Totem Flock, August, and Scamalok. It's so rainy. And your clothes are not going to get dry and won't get wet.
We're not trying it.
Fly, fly, where'd you go, fly? Fly, fly, where'd you go, fly? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Give me a big, huge thumbs up as you're there. And subscribe channel if you aren't already subscribed. Why not? So yeah, hope you... Cut. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Subscribe channel if you're new and leave big family comment below. We'll see you on. Bye.